Ready to transform your Wix website into a client magnet portfolio? Let's dive in. First, log into your Wix account and click Edit Site on the website you want to add your portfolio to. This will take you to the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of the editor, find and click on the Pages and Menu icon, which usually looks like a stack of pages. This is where you'll manage your site's navigation. Now, click the Add Page button at the bottom of the Pages and Menu panel. This will create a brand new page for your portfolio. A window will pop up asking what kind of page you want to create. Select the portfolio category. Wix offers several pre-designed portfolio templates to make things easier. Browse through the portfolio templates and choose one that best suits your style and the type of work you showcase. Click on the template you like and then click Add Page. Great! Your portfolio page is now created. Let's replace the placeholder content with your own. Click on any image you want to replace, and then click the Change Image button. Upload your project images and add compelling descriptions. To edit the text, simply click on a text box and start typing. Be sure to include details about your role in the project, the challenges you faced, and the positive outcomes you achieved. Don't forget SEO. Click the settings icon on each portfolio item and optimize the title and description. For search engines, use relevant keywords to help potential clients find your work. Once you're happy with your portfolio page, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Wix editor to make it live on your website, and that's it. You've created a stunning portfolio page on Wix.